How to remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove or disconnect Google Photos from your Google account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first option is to stop Google Photos from syncing with your account. In order to do that, you have to open up Google Photos in your device. Head towards the top right corner and then tap on your profile icon. Here, scroll down a bit and head towards the photo settings. Once you're here, tap on backup, and from here toggle off this backup option in order to disconnect Google Photos from your Gmail account. So once you have toggle off this backup option right here, the photos will no longer be saved in your Gmail or in your Google account. And the second option is, in case if you want to delete all your Google Photos, then you have to visit photos.google.com. Then open up Google in your device and head towards photos.google.com. So from here, make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account, and then select the photos that you want to delete and then click the trash pack icon to delete, and then empty the trash for the permanent deletion. But if you don't want photos to show up in Gmail like attachment, Google sometimes shows photos in Gmail attachment if they are linked. So there is no direct toggle for this option. But what you can do is you can avoid uploading photos to Google Photos if you don't want them associated, or you can use another backup method like local storage or another cloud service. So in this way, you can disconnect or remove Google Photos from your Gmail or Google account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.